I remember all the mornings when the sky was painted gray, when I thought the clouds above me would never fade away. I was searching for a reason, I was looking for a sign, but the answer was already growing quietly inside. Every storm has a season, every night has an end. Sometimes we lose our way just to find ourselves again. After the rain comes the sunlight, after the dark comes the dawn. Every tear that I carried was teaching me to move on. Now I breathe a little deeper, now I see a clearer sky. The world feels a little brighter with every morning light. All the roads that felt impossible, all the mountains I had climbed, were just pieces of a story that was shaping this life of mine. I don't need to fear the changes, I don't need to hold the past. Every moment keeps on moving, nothing beautiful has to last. So let the rain keep falling, it won't stay forever long. The roots grow deeper in the darkness before the flowers come. After the rain comes the sunlight, after the dark comes the dawn. I was stronger than I knew, I was carrying on. Now I welcome every season, every chapter, every sign, because even through the shadows there was always a light. After the rain, I found my way. After the storm, I found today.